The design is a modern take on the cottage style, incorporating decorative features of the cottage style with a more contemporary and stylish twist. We have used bold colors on furnishing items and chosen striking furniture to give it a younger and edgy vibe. You can refer to another modern country style case we uploaded 2 weeks ago to see how different color tones and design details can affect the house's atmosphere. This house is ingeniously converted from two 20-foot shipping containers and extends 1.6 meters on the front side, enlarging the space to 48 square meters of total floors and allowing for 1.5 bathrooms and spacious closets. The spiral staircase is installed in the extended area, making it easier to install, while being accompanied by two large-scale windows that provide plenty of sunshine and a striking view of the house. Moving up to the second floor, the grayish and dark blue tones of the bedroom give it a calm yet romantic vibe. The dressing table is a statement piece, with its sophisticated and chic style reflecting a modern and stylish approach.